Yeah, the young J. Yo, Titi.
Yo.
Represent for SPM. NSWM. Yeah, are your duty? Are your duty? What Jamaica's duty? Every day it's a labor day. That's how we do it in a solid way. Yeah.
First of all, coming to collect the garbage. Pounced upon a mini roadblock with some boulders on it. Yeah, the stone would have to move before it can go up there. Yeah, they have to have help to move them because some of them big, some of them small. I think the residents blocking the road, that's nobody go up there to dump their garbage.
The business people them have some madman. We are carrying garbage and if them come, them just throw it anywhere and it don't mean nothing to them. And them gone. Paranormally up to this morning the truck come right through the area and everybody try to put out the garbage at the gate. So it wouldn't be residential, it must be commercial garbage, most of it. I live in the area of Mile Gully and I don't really feel good about this, you know. This is not proper for our community. But if you put your garbage into the plastic bag and tie it, right? And normally the truck blow from way up there up to this morning. I hear the truck coming on that road, blowing. So I know it's a garbage truck. So what I do, I take my rubbish.
We used to have a skip here, so you know. We can't come here without water boat, you know.
Well, it's a good thing and realize that somebody that really step in and realize that it is not right. You understand?
Jamaica beauty is our duty. Our duty is to keep Jamaica clean. Bless you.
That's how we do it in a solid way. Yes. Come and clean up the place. I make we do it pan a place, do it pan a place, pan a place.